Welcome to this advanced clinical presentation on medications that must never be stopped abruptly. In nursing and medicine, abrupt withdrawal is not simply a dosing error. It is a physiological threat. The body adapts to long-term medication exposure, and sudden discontinuation can unleash rebound toxicity, withdrawal syndromes, life-threatening instability, and rapid deterioration. Today you will learn why certain medications require tapering, how the body responds during withdrawal, and the clinical scenarios that demand immediate recognition. Begin with beta blockers such as metoprolol, propranolol, and atenolol. Long-term therapy suppresses sympathetic tone. If the drug is stopped suddenly, the body rebounds with dangerous catecholamine surges, tachycardia, hypertension, chest pain, and risk of myocardial infarction. Picture a client with stable angina who decides to stop their beta blocker because they feel fine. Within hours, they develop crushing substernal pain and a heart rate of 138. The nurse must recognize this not as new coronary disease, but beta blocker withdrawal, requiring prompt reinstitution and provider guidance for a safe taper. Next, SSRIs and SNRIs, sertraline, fluoxetine, venlafaxine. These modulate long-term serotonin signaling. Stopping them abruptly triggers discontinuation syndrome, dizziness, brain zaps, agitation, paresthesia, insomnia, and flu-like symptoms. One high-risk scenario is a patient who stops venlafaxine after missing only a few doses. They return reporting electrical sensations in the head and severe anxiety. This is not a new psychiatric disorder. It is rapid withdrawal from a medication with a short half-life. Education and reinstatement with a slow taper protect neurochemical stability. Corticosteroids, such as prednisone, present a different danger. Long-term steroid use suppresses the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. Abrupt cessation leaves the body unable to produce cortisol, leading to adrenal crisis. Hypotension, shock, fever, abdominal pain, and electrolyte imbalance. Imagine a client treated for severe asthma who decides to stop prednisone after a prolonged course. Within 24 hours, they appear weak, nauseated, hypotensive, and tachycardic. The correct interpretation is adrenal insufficiency, not dehydration or flu. Immediate steroid replacement can be life-saving. Anticonvulsants such as phenytoin, levetiracetam, and lamotrigine must never be stopped without supervision. Sudden withdrawal lowers the seizure threshold and may precipitate status epilepticus, a medical emergency. Consider a client who stops phenytoin because they dislike its side effects. They later arrive with continuous tonic-clonic seizure activity. Understanding the pathophysiology, neuronal hyperexcitability after abrupt drug removal guides rapid airway protection, benzodiazepine use, and restoration of therapeutic anticonvulsant levels. Clonidine, an alpha-2 agonist used for hypertension and withdrawal management, causes profound rebound hypertension when discontinued abruptly. A patient who stops clonidine due to dizziness may reappear with sudden blood pressure spikes exceeding 200 systolic, severe headache, and risk of stroke. This is not essential hypertension. It is clonidine withdrawal, requiring controlled reinstitution and gradual tapering. Benzodiazepines such as lorazepam, alprazolam, and diazepam suppress central nervous system excitability. Abrupt cessation may cause tremors, anxiety, tachycardia, hypertension, hallucinations, and seizures. A client using alprazolam daily for 3 months who suddenly stops is at high risk for withdrawal seizures. Tapering reduces neurochemical shock to the GABAergic system and prevents life-threatening instability. Even opioids require tapering. Stopping abruptly causes acute withdrawal, vomiting, diarrhea, chills, pain, dilation of pupils, agitation, and autonomic instability. Although opioid withdrawal is rarely fatal, it causes severe distress and may lead to unsafe medication behaviors. Nursing guidance involves controlled tapering, symptom management, and patient education on physiological dependence. The core principle is simple. Long-term medications reshape receptor activity, hormone signaling, autonomic function, and neuronal thresholds. Removing them suddenly creates physiological chaos. Tapering allows the brain, cardiovascular system, and endocrine pathways to re-establish balance gradually. As nurses and educators, your role is to anticipate withdrawal risk, provide essential teaching, and monitor for early signs of life-threatening rebound phenomena. Clinical judgment recognizes that abrupt discontinuation is not a benign choice. It is a destabilizing event that must be prevented through education, assessment, and safe interdisciplinary planning.